I want to ask of you to help him settle down as fast as possible.
Amukoro gwo kumusibura gwakorerwa Cephas Inn muri Kabare wabwire yasimye nkwatansa yatunjira muri Kigezi basise kore mirimo yikurunji.
All the people here who have come to celebrate with me the times and period I have served as an officer in Kigezi region.
Abebembezi ba polisi mu cyanga cya Kigezi basime imirimo yawe wabwire kandi bayireka ko baza kwatanza no mu bebembezi wabo omusya.
Command and leadership. I came to this region last year as a DPC Rukunji. That was September. And I found our going RPC here. But really, he has managed us. He has done what it takes to make sure that the region is where it is as of now.
I know SSP Nesima Godfrey will also eventually fit in. I want to ask of you to help him settle down as fast as possible. How do we help the new visitor settle in the home? We don't start by introducing problems. Not so?
A superior or a supervisor or a commander whom you can easily reach out to, have fun with, communicate with, someone who understands you. We want to, on behalf of the regional team, I want to especially thank you, Afande Wabwire, for being the person that you were to us.
Abandi bebembezi b'ekyanga kya Kigezi hamwe n'abatora abayika mukorogu bayireka ngo wabwire abera ry'enshinji nkuru ombyo kwerinda omu kyanga eki kandi akakora omurimo muhango ombwire bw'akaruru.
Where you are going, always remember to come back here. You know, you are leaving us with the old man whom we have tried to change, but he has told us he will not change. And we shall respect him. But he also respects us as his children. But he has said he will not change. And that is the principle. So we shall respect him for that.
RPC umusobija tunakoraganiza korani kandi office yawe turaza kugizamu ni wore kutumaririze korani kandi na DPC mwene kuzire ni okay ndabaga ni wona ko akabunga sometimes zibarohereza abana bari kurabo bari kuzakora imirimo ya government corruption ya food zireti itakizi.
He said that what you leave behind is not what is engraved in the stone monuments, but what is woven into the lives of others. So when you see statues to show so and so, Mandela and what is not enough. What is enough is what you live where? People's hearts.
Wabwire no muhaba polisi abidararango abahinduye mu cyanga eki hanyuma yo kuhindura ovira twira ry'umugambirizi wa polisi omucyanga nicyo kimwe ASP Alimate makuru agashakwa Job na Manyapuri omuri Kabare.
Coming RPC, the regional team, President.